In CBSE Grade 10 Board Examination, in Mathematics paper, in Section A, question numbers 36 to 38 are case study based questions carrying 4 marks each with subparts of the values of 1, 1 and 2 marks each respectively.
Here is the scenario for the question. Read it carefully. Bangalore City Corporation is building parks in residential areas across the city. Shown below is one such park. The rectangular park consists of various components like walking track, kids' play area, open gym, pond, etc. The first question based on the above scenario is, Gate 3 has been placed exactly opposite to Gate 1 on the boundary of the park. The distance between Gate 3 and Gate 2 is 1 meter more than the distance between Gate 3 and Gate 2. The shortest distance between Gates 1 and 2 is 29 meters. Find the width of the park. Show your work. I hope you have read the question carefully and understood the question is based on quadratic equations. This is the first part of case-based question. Reading and comprehending well. Once you have understood it, we can start solving the question. Here, take the distance between gates 1 and 3 as x, m. Then the distance between gates 2 and 3 is expressed as x plus 1, m. Applying Pythagoras' theorem to the triangle formed by gates 1, 2 and 3, we get a quadratic equation, x square plus x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 29 square. Reducing, we get x square plus x minus 420 is equal to 0. While solving the quadratic equation, we get the value of x as 20. Hence, we conclude that the width of the park is 20 meters. The second question based on this scenario is, the caretaker of the park is attempting to plant saplings in the form of a square. That is, number of rows of saplings is the same as the number of columns of saplings. On arranging the saplings, he found that 24 saplings were still left with him. When he increased the number of rows and columns by 1, he found that he was short of 25 saplings. Find the number of saplings available with him. Now, it is clear that the question is based on quadratic equation. Consider the former number of rows and columns of saplings as x, given the number of saplings available as x square plus 24. The later number of rows and columns of sapling as x plus 1, given the number available saplings as x plus 1 the whole square minus 25. By equating both the equations, we get x square plus 24 is equal to x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 25. While solving, we get x is equal to 24. Hence the number of saplings available with the caretakers as 24 square plus 24, which is equal to 600. The next question based on the above scenario is, the city corporation is planning to install a rectangular sand table as shown below, for the kids in the play area. The carpenter is asked to design a rectangular table whose length is thrice its width and the area is 108 square meter. The next question based on the above scenario is, the city corporation is planning to install a rectangular sand table as shown below, for the kids in the play area. The carpenter is asked to design a rectangular table whose length is thrice its width and the area is 108 square meter. Now it is very clear that, whether such a table can be made, by finding out whether the quadratic equation formed by calculating the area of the table will have discriminant greater than or equal to 0. That means the quadratic equation has real roots. Consider the width as x, and given length as 3x. Then, the area of the table equals length x breadth, which is equal to x multiplied by 3 times x, which is again equal to 3 times x square. Given, 3x square is equal to 108. Rearranging, we get x square minus 36 is equal to 0. Finding the discriminant, d is equal to b square 4 times and multiplied by, we get discriminant d is equal to 144 which is greater than 0. Hence, yes, it is possible to make such a table with the given Deemsnian.
I hope you have understood how to solve a competency-based question from the chapter, Linear Equation in Two Variables. Thank you for watching this video on Chintasaala, a blended learning platform. We hope you enjoyed learning with us and found it useful. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. And remember to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. At Chintasaala, we believe learning is not just about knowledge, but about curiosity, creativity, and growth. Stay connected, keep learning, and see you in the next video.